Hello everyone, I'm Faral Imran, and today the topic that I'll be discussing is called an AI which recognizes athletes' emotions. So, before you can see how AI used to examine or detect the emotions of humans, but now it will recognize the athlete emotions, and how it will recognize that I'll be telling you all about in this video. So stay tuned so that you don't miss any information regarding it. So let's get started. So here you see that AI recognizes athletes' emotions. So here there's a new emotion analysis models that can identify the states, like the affective states, with accuracy similar to that of humans. Means it has the accuracy similar to the humans, like how the humans observe the emotions. According to it, the AI can detect it. So here they said that the researchers have been able to accurately identify the affective states from the body language. So here from the body language they are identifying, or they can accurately identify the affective states from the body language of tennis players. So here the athletes are tennis players during games. For example, like during the games, you see tennis players, they play, for example, they win or lose, and whatever body language they have, for example, they have a, like for example their breathing is fast, or they have a slow breathing, or maybe they're walking slowly or walking fast. So whatever body language is there, and from the emotions, the AI can assess and detect them with accuracy. Now there are also some ethical concerns also, which I'll be telling you about in this video. So here this AI model, this emotion detection model, has been made by the researchers at the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology, KIT, and the University of Duisburg Essen. They have been able to accurately identify the affective states from the body language of tennis players during games. So during games, they have been able to identify the states, or like whatever affective states, which can detect like which emotion do they have right now, whether they're happy, they're sad, they're excited, or maybe they're kind of stressed. For example, if you're losing the game, you feel kind of under pressure or stressed, you can feel. So according to that, like what are the states, whether they move their hands, they have the like the expressions on the face, and whatever expressions, so those states they have been able to accurately identify. So here they say that from the videos, they analyze the videos in which from the videos they use the pattern recognition programs, means to find the patterns that, for example, if the player is stressed, so they used many videos of the tennis players and they trained the data according to it, like during the actual games. It was not the videos, it was the live videos. Those were recorded, means the actual games in which the tennis players were actually playing. So those videos, they did the pattern recognition. So pattern recognition programs they use. Pattern recognition, for example, they chose two videos or three videos, and then from that they're taking some points. Like for example, the person is walking fast, or he's kind of angry. So from that they can detect the emotion. And then after that, what they did, okay, well, the success rate was 68.9%. So the accuracy was 68.9%. And here they said, because this 68.9%, they said it's comparable and also sometimes even superior to the assessments which is made by both human observers and the earlier automated methods. Means it's better than the earlier automated methods, and even it is superior to the assessments made by human observers also. So here the said Professor Darko Jikok of KIT's Institute of Sports and Sports Science. He said that. So this one is this percentage of accuracy, 68.9%, is better than those of the previous automated methods and even by the human observers. So here they also said that one unique feature of the study was that they used the real life scenes, means these scenes were not simulated. So they used the real life scenes to train their AI system. And also, the researchers recorded the video sequences of 15 tennis players in a specific setting. Means, for example, in a specific setting, in a specific way, they use the recorded the video sequences of 15 tennis players in which they focus on the body language displayed when a point was won or lost, means when they won or lost a point. And then here in that, the videos that were recorded, they showed the players had they had lowered head, their arms were raised in exultation, they had the hanging racket, or even there were differences in walking speed. So here they were. So these things was used to identify the player affective states. Means they had the walking speed, the hanging racket, and how their arms were raised. So those all were the points in which they took the states to fed to the data. Means they fed this data to the AI so that the AI can train on it and then give the emotions based on it, that what were the players feeling at that time, like what were the athletes feeling at that time. So here, see, now after fed, now the AI, they of course they did some pattern. It learned to associate the body language signals with different affective reactions and to determine whether a point had been won or lost. Means there was a positive body language and a negative body language. Now here, one more thing about AI, they learned that humans, from humans and machine both, they said that humans and machine can recognize the negative emotions more better than the positive ones, because they say that the negative emotions are easier to analyze or observe. So here they say that not only does the research show that the AI algorithms may be able to surpass the human observers in their ability to identify emotions in the future, it also reveals that both humans and AI are better at recognizing negative emotions. Means the AI is able, for example, if you're stressed, or means the negative emotions that you have, the humans and the AI, they are able to detect them more easily rather than the positive ones. And they also said that the AI algorithms may able to surpass the AI human observers, means the humans. So now AI could surpass them now, because, and the reason that they said that negative emotions are easier to identify, because they said they're expressed in more obvious ways. Means you express them more like openly. The negative emotions, they're easy to assess them and detect them. And here also psychological theories also say that people are better adapted to perceive the negative emotions, for example, rather than the positive ones. And here, they also said that ethical aspects need clarification before use. And the study also says that the emotion recognition applications, like where it can be used, the emotion recognition means it can be used to improve the training methods, the team dynamics, performance, and also prevent burnout. For example, if someone is going through burnout or someone is very much tired, so when the AI recognizes it, so it might be able to prevent the burnout, because some people, it happens like when they are tired or when they are not very well, it happens they might like faint or something happens. So to like avoid that stuff. And they also said that how there are some benefits, this technology offers some benefits, there are also some risks associated with it, especially the misuse of data and privacy. So here they also said strictly to existing ethical guidelines and also data protection regulation. And also they have a view of future applications of such technology in practice. It will also be essential to clarify ethical and legal issues ahead of time. Means ahead of time, it will be essential to clarify the ethical issues instead of misusing the data. So it's better to clarify the ethical and legal issues. And also, this emotion recognition model can be used for other fields also, in which healthcare is included, education, customer service, and automotive safety. They could also benefit from this early detection of emotional states. Means like to detect the emotion, the body language, so that instead of a person having burnout, they can prevent it. So that is all from my side. Thank you so much.